Here are 3 amazing features for RV Life Trip Wizard, and one of them you may not have known about. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Let's get started with our first feature, time zones. Quite a few RV owners are technically time travelers, and this needs to be factored in to your trip, and Trip Wizard can help you with this. Under map settings, scroll down, click time zones, and it will activate. Now, as you zoom out, you can see all of the time zones. It also shows you the time zones in Mexico and Canada. The second feature is the feature tour. If you want to freshen up on the RV Life Trip Wizard features, you can take the feature tour. In the upper right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click that, you will see feature tour. And this will just run you through the features of RV Life Trip Wizard. Here's a feature you may not have known about. You can also find many more resources from within Trip Wizard when you click Account and View More. This will show you so many resources that you can use to learn more and enrich your experience in the RV life. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. What did you think about these features? Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.